Each dean is certified that these candidates who stand before me and others who are not present have completed all requirements for degrees outlined by the university, the Board of Regents, and the laws of the state of Georgia. The candidates are now ready for the conferral of their degrees.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Regents of the University System of Georgia, I hereby confer upon you and each of you the degree described in these official records of commencement proceedings, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. To symbolize the completion of your degree, will each graduate please move your tassel from right to left?